How to withdraw money from Pocket Option to Binance. In this video, I'll show you guys how to easily deposit money on your Binance account. Open up Binance first. It could be your application or in web browser. Now make sure to log into your account. Then click on the deposit button at the top right corner, right besides the search. And once you click on it, you should see here, I have crypto assets. So click on deposit crypto. And once you click on it, you will be taken to this page. Now you're going to have to select a coin. You just have to select USDT. If you don't see it on the given list, tap on the search bar and then search for USDT. Now select your network. Here, I'll just continue with the first option, Tron. And once you click on it, you'll get your deposit address, like your QR code, as well as the address. You can just copy the address. And once you've copied it, just go to your pocket option and then make sure to log into your account. Now, all you have to do is just go to the Finance tab, and then once you click on it, click on Withdrawal. And if you have any assets here, all you have to do is paste that address that you've just copied, and you should be able to move it to Binance. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.